Alright, so this is actually my third and final unboxing for today. It's the biggest unboxing I have. It's actually got some heft and weight to it. If you saw my other videos, I do have 75 subscribers. Maybe you actually do watch these, probably not. Anyways, I freaking am having trouble opening or cutting through this. But yeah, so I've been on this cooking kick, as I've mentioned in my videos. I own one frying pan, which is pretty sad. A man of my age, from what I understand. I basically live like, not even like a college student, like in his senior year, like probably like a college freshman. You know, I own one frying pan, and I don't actually own a single pot. So I actually bought spaghetti the other day. I was like, oh, I'll make some spaghetti. Sadly, I only had a frying pan and an oven to try to cook it in. So I don't know if you can cook spaghetti that way. I think you gotta boil it, so that didn't work. All right, so there's that. There's this lid for a pot, I would assume. Another lid for a pot. More stuff. Yes, and here we go. Got this smaller pot, a lid, another lid I should say, another pot. Whew. I actually like throwing it. That's actually kind of like my favorite part. I'm going to drop this exactly before I cut myself. Man. Oh crap, almost knocked down my nice computer. So yeah, so I just took the plastic. Man, I gotta say, this is pretty nice quality. I mean, I don't know crap about cooking, but this seems pretty nice. This whole set cost me, I believe, $40. Shoot. I wonder if the price went down. I feel like I paid a little bit more than this, but it's showing $35.11 for me right now on Amazon. I believe they have variable pricing for people, so I think, I could be wrong, but I think depending on who you are, like they show different prices and different prices are available. And the prices definitely fluctuate, so it says $35.11 right now for the 8-piece set. There's also a 15-piece set. I wanted the 8-piece set because, like I said, I have one frying pan, I have 0 pots. You know, I think going from 1 to 8 is more than enough. I don't think I need the 15. I don't even think I need the 8 actually. I'm probably gonna end up using like 2 of these. So, so this pot is pretty nice, I must say. Here's a frying pan. It does say Amazon Basics on the handle. I don't know if you can see that, but yep. And again, yeah, the quality seems fairly nice, especially at this price point. Again, for someone that knows absolutely nothing about cooking, these things seem like pretty high quality. Whoa, let me see if I can. So 8-piece non-stick cookware set includes 8-inch frying pan, 10-inch fry pan, 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2 quart saucepan with lid, and 3 quart casserole pan with lid. I don't even know what, oh, maybe this is a casserole? No? Yeah, maybe this is a casserole pan. I don't even know what casserole pan is. Important note says hand wash only, not dishwasher safe. So I don't actually have a dishwasher, but if I did, I probably would have thrown one of these things in there, because I just don't. One, I don't own a dishwasher. I actually grew up without one. My parents do have one now, but me just being kind of a, I don't know what the word is, just not very well versed in the kitchen, I probably would have thrown this in the dishwasher. What else we got? This is ranked number 2 as far as sales go under cookware sets, so very popular on Amazon at the moment. people, some popular questions. Is this oven safe? Someone said to recommend buying a Libuza wood spatula with non-stick cookware set. So I don't even get that answer. Let's go to another question. Would you recommend these for a couple getting their first apartment? So again, these are on Amazon. They're very basic, hence the name, but an excellent value. Like pretty much every other Amazon Basics item I've ever purchased. So yeah, good point about Amazon Basics. I've noticed the quality is solid, and usually it's a bit cheaper than a very, like the similar product. So a lot of times you might get, I don't know, batteries, or in this case, cookware, and the Amazon reviews are solid. It looks pretty much similar, except generally you can save some money. The one side against that, it's more, I don't know if I would use the word ethical, but a lot of times people state that Amazon essentially sees what sells well, or sees markets where there's opportunities, where there's smaller businesses, and they kind of come in and are able to take over that business line. So in this case, let's say pots and pans. Let's say, I don't even know a company offhand, but company XYZ, it's been selling like hotcakes their cookware, priced $10 higher than Amazon, or $5 higher, let's say, and Amazon basically, according to people, I haven't really looked into too much, basically copies exactly what they're doing, but because of their scale and how big they are, how much they're worth, they're able to effectively drop the price and kind of push their competitors out. People say they essentially copycat things, but to be frank, I think most people aren't going to care. They're just going to take the cheaper price as long as it's a solid product. But so that was a really long tangent, but it was just on my mind. Just something to consider if you do care about those things, and maybe something to research to see if that's in fact the case. Obviously for me, it didn't play a part in my decision to buy this stuff, because I was probably like, save $5-10 bucks, why not? I'm just gonna unwrap the plastic on a bunch of these. I'll probably actually, I don't know, I know my mom has a bunch of stuff already. I was gonna say maybe I'll give her some of these extra pots and pans, but frankly, she probably has better stuff than this, and it's probably, so she probably won't need it. So I don't know what I'll do with the extra stuff. I actually get along with the neighbors in my apartment, so maybe I'll offer it up on this like group text chat we have with my neighbors. So here's one thing, as I lose my mic. I am counting 1, 2, as I drop it again. I'm counting 5 cookware pieces out here as I move my mic around. It's supposed to be 8. So, oh wow, that's kind of cheap. If I'm doing this correctly, so I count 5, and they call this 8 piece. I guess they're calling these lids as separate pieces. So I think that's kind of cheap, but I guess maybe that's how they do it. It's the industry standard to call like a lid an extra piece of cookware. Obviously, I didn't really read too into this, and either way, I'm happy. I think it's a good deal. Leave your comments, of course. I didn't even mention that in the other videos. Feel free to leave comments if you have questions. I haven't formally actually reviewed any products to date, but if you're just curious about a product, I can just, at least in the comments, give feedback and say like, hey, this cookware set was awesome, or A, it actually sucks, it doesn't heat up, or whatever. I might eventually go to reviews. I've been saying that forever though, so we'll see. But yeah, thanks to the 70 whatever subscribers. I don't know how many are actually people that watch the videos regularly, or if they're just bots, but anyone that does, I appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching.